Why does your scanner show the P114C engine code? What does it mean? P114C is a diagnostic trouble code for post-catalyst fuel trim via oxygen sensor system. Too rich, bank 2. The P114C engine code for indicate the vehicle's powertrain control module (PCM) detects that the post-catalyst oxygen sensor on bank 2 is indicating an excessively rich air-fuel mixture, or the sensor is reporting inaccurate data. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: dirty or clogged engine air filter, contaminated MAF sensor, damaged wiring or loose connections, air or vacuum leaks, faulty MAF sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, BMW, and Audi. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.